Hey guys, I'm back again. Another year at Frightmare Farms Haunted Scream Park. We're just gonna get a little bit of footage here. You know, it's in the daytime, it's not as creepy. So let's go check it out. Oh, look at that vampire skull. You do that for promotional use or no?
There's still actors in here. Never left looking them up. So I painted this.
You painted that?
Yeah. For
It's supposed to look like there it is. Alright, we're going in. Whoa. Wasn't ready for that. You gotta be ready.
So I may be going the wrong way. Actually, I think you might go through.
Ooh. So this is a storage room behind the scenes of a haunted house attraction. That's a cool mask.
It's prop.
Oh, it's not even a mask, it's a prop.
Maybe it could have been. No, it's a prop. Yeah, there's no eye holes.
Well, that's a real sword. It's heavy. A mask. So this place right here looks like they may have had a vampire problem. Or maybe they just like garlic. More garlic. It's real garlic.
Inside here.
It's free.
This is where they make up
I
the
wouldn't
monsters.
say it's like ideal.
It looks pretty cool to me.
This is actually a very clean.
4 altogether that I found on the needles, and I need to order a bunch of other.
Bears or
We're
whatever.
in another dark labyrinth. Dirty, filthy chains and monsters. And
One of the first things I ever made here. Paper towels
what the light was.
Yep.
Ooh, this is creepy. People
Oh.
probably think that she's gonna turn around and scare you, take her down.
So this thing here, like this window and stuff, is actually from like a play that was at Syracuse stage.
Gotcha. Well, I like this. This was in our video.
Yep.
Yep.
This has been here forever.
You guys, I'll link that video
So
below.
this is actually a door, and it leads to where we just were, the makeup area.
Oh, okay, cool.
So it's kind of like a quick.
Hidden door.
Yeah.
This is where we did our video.
So this is pretty
a long
cool. Let
time
me show you
ago.
something. All right. So there's somebody here. There's a girl, and she's like, make some comment.
And then this is a hidden door, right? Is it still?
This stays open.
These lockers. So you painted these.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it
I
reminds
did,
me of something out of like Nightmare on Elm Street.
I think it did sand. A little bit of like kind of orangey red paint,
Yeah,
and
just
then like with varnish.
Looks like something from like Leatherface's.
Actually, I painted these doors for containment. That was at Shopping Town.
You should have done the what is it, Eve 6 from X-Files. What is this stuff? Oh, that's from like the hospital.
I don't know what
Hospital
this
machines.
is.
Hospital machines.
Oh, I made this. Here we go.
Got the clown.
Ah, so these are from Kill the Clowns from Outer Space.
Oh, this is kind of creepy. If I woke up in this room, I'd be like, get me out of this room.
So go back there.
You just can't help yourself. Is that Doctor Who?
I don't. Doesn't it go like?
Yeah. And now we see the outside. And that's what you might find here at Frightmare Farms. Let's go out on the trail, I guess. Phoebe! Now we're in the mine. I don't like to get this close to radioactive stuff. They're modeling. Oh, now we're looking Blair Witchy. What kind of movies do they play?
The 10. Usually they'll try to get like a pretty current, like whatever the most like current. But this thing,
Crematory?
it's tiny here. You just stuck like a body in it, but yeah. We don't know what the hell that is.
There it is, Frightmare Farms. Little tour in the daytime to see what it looks like. It's going to look a lot different tonight. They're going all the way until the end of October here in Palermo, New York, which is right outside Syracuse. So I'll be here tonight or tomorrow, but by the time you see this video, it will already happen. If you guys are in the area, go check it out. So we're going to cross this street. This seems like a really busy street here, but this land over here was just acquired by them, by Frightmare Farms. And so next year they're going to do a haunted hayride over here, as well as the attraction over across the street. We're back and it's open now. It's dark. We got our tickets. We're about to go in. I'm with Cody. We're here. Just went through the first one, the house. Still have the labyrinth and the mine trail. It was good. It was a lot of scares. Yeah, what'd you say? Anyway.
No.
All right, we're about to go through the labyrinth. That was awesome. We had all kinds of scares in the labyrinth. Oh yeah, where's the diapers? Right there? $3 diapers, just in case. Made for adults. There we go. Chainsaw Massacre in there. I love that. There's Slimer. The Ecto 2016. And we got, oh, this is, what is it, Sleepy Hollow? Sleepy Hollow plant? Guys, we're having a real good time here at Frightmare Farms. Highly recommend coming here. All right, and we finished the, what was that? That was the mines? The condemned mines. All in all, this was a really cool event here. 3 different attractions here, and they were all really good, so highly recommend if you guys are into like scary things like that. All right, we're out here. Is it recording?
Yep.
All right, we're out here at Frightmare Farms. It's a haunted house attraction, a scream farm. A farm, it's not a farm. I'm out here at Frightmare Farms. Car's coming.